have a workshop running with Chris and Will. They are working with the students to deliver a workshop based on music, creating music for moving image. So students are working in groups at the moment. They're creating, they've chosen a clip each, and they're currently working towards creating about 1.5 to 2 minutes of music for that clip.
Each had a film, and they've had a spotting session where they've looked at the different timings and the narrative and various different elements, and they've found ways to put their own composition to that in actually live. So they're playing with a screen or some sort of playback.
Really useful because they let us they give us something to do, but they let us experiment with it, and they give us plenty of time to come up with things by ourselves instead of just telling us to do things.
But we are doing composition right now for GCSE music, so it's actually been really helpful to try and knowing that you can just spark ideas from anywhere, and kind of inspiration can come from anywhere.
Students are using instruments in ways that they wouldn't usually use, creating different sounds and thinking of their instruments from a different perspective, really.
I really enjoy playing guitar. I also enjoy singing, but obviously as it's a silent film, I've been doing guitar. But I've also picked up bass for the first time ever today, so I'm learning that now.
Yeah, it's going really well. It's always really surprising what the students come up with. So that's great for me to see these different interpretations that are completely different to what I would do, and yeah, that's really nice to see. I think it's sort of having the screen there is something that takes the focus away from them, so they maybe feel less shy about playing or composing, and yeah, it just seems a nice practice, a nice way to do it.
I've spoken to several groups of the students. They're really enjoying themselves. I think what it is for them is it's really refreshing to be out of the normal classroom scenario. I think what they're also really enjoying is their independence, that they get to work so independently as well. And just to kind of think about instruments outside of the box in a really different way. So they seem to be really enjoying themselves.
And it's been going pretty good. We found there's a lot of stuff that you can compose about. And yeah, I found it really inspiring.